Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. 我们今天的主要学习内容呢，和我们之前学过的一个汉字有关。那这个汉字是什么呢？ It's 是。As for this Chinese character 是 we have learned it before in HSK level 1, right? Sometimes it seems like M is R in English. So today, what we will talk about is around this Chinese character 是 The structure is 是什么什么什么的是什么什么什么的 which often appears in Chinese sentences. 的 here is an auxiliary word, usually at the end of the sentence with no practical meaning. In this sentence, we can use 是 to emphasize the sentence element that follows it. 那么在是什么什么的这个结构中呢，是的后面可以加什么成分呢？是的后面可以加时间、地点、方式或者是人。First of all, let's see an example that help you understand it. For example, 我是昨天来的。我是昨天来的。It means I came here yesterday.We have learned many simple sentence patterns in previous videos. So, about this sentence, can you recognize the different parts of this sentence? Let's analyze it one by one. 首先是我 Here is a subject. And then the structure appeared. 是什么什么什么的是什么什么什么的is at the end of the sentence. 是的 is the sentence structure we learned today. And then 昨天 it's a time, means yesterday. 来 is a verb, right? Means come. The is at the end of the sentence with no practical meaning. So the basic sentence structure here is 主语加上是加时间加动词加宾语加 the subject and 是 and time and verb and object and the 是的 Next example. 我是在北京认识他的。我是在北京认识他的。我 is a subject. 是什么什么的is the structure we learned today. 在北京 where, right? 北京 is a place. 认识 is a verb, means meet or know. And then 他 is an object. So the basic structure is 主语加上是加地点加动词加宾语加 the subject and 是 and where and verb and object and the. Let's go on. 我是坐飞机来北京的。我是坐飞机来北京的。我 is also the subject here. And then 是坐飞机 is a way. Here means how to go to Beijing. 来 is a verb. 北京 is an object, right? So the basic sentence structure here is 主语加是加方式加动词加宾语加 the. Here to use 是什么什么的 to emphasize the way how to go to Beijing. By plan, emphasize this. Not very difficult. Now, the basic sentence structures can help you express more properly. So, today, our main task is to learn the structure 是的是什么什么的 So, you got it? Today, our video is coming to an end. See you next time. Bye!